So this project has built a strong community and just keeps growing despite everything happening in the market today. We're going to be talking about Volt Inu. But before we do that, make sure to do your research, figure out this project is for you. So I'm going to talk about all about this project. We'll go over the roadmap, everything that they've accomplished in the last month, which is a ton of stuff. We'll go over their socials, kind of like their latest updates, and of course, teach you guys how to be involved if you guys choose to do so. So let's go Volt Inu. So here we're on the website at voltinu.in, and this is their logo. I think it looks really cool. Like I said, they definitely have done a lot in this past month. One of the things is bridging to PancakeSwap, so they are available on ETH and BSC, and we'll kind of talk about that and check out the charts. But we'll talk about everything that happened in this project. So let's go. So this is the introduction. So Volt is a hyper-deflationary token whose aim is to invest in multi-asset class such as NFTs, nodes, altcoins, staking, farming, and stablecoins. They've actually, in just like the past month, have built up the NFT portfolio pretty well. They've actually have been able to use those funds to help this project out. So we'll talk about that. So they're working on investment diversity, allows to mitigate the risk while taking advantage of the possible non-correlated growth of the trending assets. Since Volt is intended to be hyper-deflationary tokens, profits made on treasury investments are made on the buyback and burn Volt tokens. Adding to the deflationary mechanism, Volt has implemented an automatic 4% burn tax on BSC, and the merger of two mechanisms guarantees a continuous rising price floor due to the decrease of the circulating supply. So really cool that they've implemented this and kind of put a lot of thought and effort into how do we keep this project healthy, not just for now or the first couple of weeks, but kind of like in the long run. So let's look at the roadmap, kind of things that they've done, and I'll also share some information that I gathered from Telegram. But stage one was just launching everything, so I'm not gonna spend too much time there. Stage two is NFT acquisition, nodes acquisition, altcoin trading, first buyback and burn round, rebrand, community contest, NFTs fractalizations, FAGX listing, SuperCharged listing, white paper released. And then stage three, smart contract audit, BSC bridge. Again, a lot of these things they've done already, to be honest. They've global billboards, celebrities, press releases. They actually have done a bunch of stuff with celebrities. Soulja Boy, The Game, Rich the Kid have endorsed this project, so I think that's obviously cool. They plan to do a play to earn game, Vault merch, and then stage four is dashboard, social activity reward system, which sounds cool, legal opinion, NFT collection, Vault fiat gateway, Vault swap, launchpad, incubator, and more. So I think that's exciting. We'll check out the white paper and audit report in a second. So this is the tokenomics, and I think they're a little bit different for ETH versus BSC. So ETH, 1% reflection, 4% ETH liquidity, 4% marketing, 4% treasury, and the BSC is 1% reflection, 4% automatic burn, 4% marketing development, 4% treasury. And if you guys want to learn how to buy, download MetaMask, send ETH to MetaMask, connect to Uniswap, swap your ETH for Vault, slippage 13 to 15%, and then BSC, download MetaMask, send BNB to MetaMask, connect to PancakeSwap and swap BNB for Vault 13 to 15%. So let's kind of talk about some of the things, kind of like the updates, and then I'm going to jump into the white paper, and then we'll check out some of the socials, and then of course the chart as well. So I've gathered a lot of these things from the Telegram. Launched on Uniswap on ETH. They did the bridge to PancakeSwap, which we saw. They have built an NFT portfolio, which we'll check out. Bought back and burned 50 ETH worth of Vault. They've had a ton of press releases and news articles on Bloomberg, NASDAQ, Yahoo. Celebrity endorsements, they've done a lot. Like I said, Soulja Boy, The Game, Rich the Kid, CEX listings, LBank, BKX. Partnered with CryPTOCard, enable hosts to pay for real world goods with Vault. So I think that's interesting. I do think that, like I said, this market has been kind of crazy. Sometimes you think it's gonna go up, some think it's gonna go down, but I think Vault has always, the community has just been growing and the excitement is growing as well. So I think that's cool. They have posted some updates on their Twitter like this, which they posted, which is they're in the fourth stage of roadmap, that they're kind of working on these things and really thinking about it, and obviously getting your guys' feedback on this. So definitely join their socials to learn more. Telegram, they're obviously talking about this thing and getting feedback from you guys. Obviously a lot of people are excited about it, but check out them on Twitter at Volt Inu Official. They kind of talk about some of the latest updates going on with this. Obviously, they're very excited about what they've accomplished, but it's still very early on. So if you guys are looking for a project to jump into early, not financial advice, but like I said, there's a lot of interesting things going on. They're definitely touching a lot of different parts of the crypto industry, and I think that's great. This is kind of just talking about some of the NFT portfolio investments. They invested in 7 Free Guys ETH, which is great. They did it for free. They have Snapshot fun. They have a Snapshot with a fun plan coming in 2 weeks and already a pretty big community. So I think it's great. I think it's cool how they're super transparent of everything that they're doing. Such Crypto Messiah. Everything that they're doing. I think that's great. They're always talking with the community, whether it's AMAs or answering chats, or I think it's just great how they're just sharing what they're investing in. I think that's like a staple of a good project, is a team that lets you guys and keep you guys updated on everything that they do. Here's the white paper if you guys want to check out, just to kind of talk about their vision, their mission, covering some of the topics we covered. Here's the smart contract audit if you guys want to check this out. Obviously, do your research, and this is part of it to make sure that you guys feel safe and secure about investing in this project. But I do know that they are committed to it, and they've shown that by not only talking, doing AMAs, obviously doing things like audit, obviously doing things by talking to you guys, answering you guys questions. And I think just overall, I think that's just important for them to be doing. And I think you guys should definitely appreciate that. If you guys are interested, that's what I was going to show you. Definitely check out their chart. They are listed on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. Let's check out how this looks like on DEX tools right now. It's loading. So it's Vault. The symbol is Vault. And there is 6,056 holders, 6.4 million market cap. Like I said, obviously the price took a bit of a dip. Like I said, all the charts that we look at these days looks pretty similar, but it's still a new project. Like I said, I do think they have a lot of exciting things on the roadmap. And like I said, they're doing things that are obviously doing the buybacks, obviously doing the investing. And I think in the long run, I think that's definitely going to help them. Definitely going to help them. I do think that their community is just constantly growing. More and more people are getting excited about this. And like I said, people are either just waiting to jump in or jumping in soon, or maybe waiting to jump in even more at a later date. But the idea is that people are trying to make their decisions based off of the market right now. But I do think it's potentially a good time. Like essentially, this is what they're saying is probably nothing, right? Some are waking up, others will wake up in a few days, and the real Army soldiers have never stopped. So they're saying people are getting excited, continuing to buy. Happy that there's a dip and buying it. Obviously they're answering people are getting excited after these AMAs and wanting to jump in further. So if you guys want to learn about this, I would say join their Telegram, ask some questions, and just follow along with them. I'm definitely going to do another video update on this in the near future. But thanks everyone for watching. That's Vault Inu. Make sure to do your own research, but I do think there's a lot of potential. So thanks everyone for watching. Catch you guys next time.